I'm now on my way to the train station again to go to school, and I found out that I don't have school for 15 minutes, but for I have from 3:20 p.m. till 5:50 p.m. So yeah, that's a lot longer. That's 2.5 hours because our teacher heard our complaints, and he was like, you know what, I'm gonna ask whether we can just give you more classes, like the classes that you're supposed to get on another day, just at this time, so you don't go all the way to Amsterdam just for one class. So yeah, my first train got cancelled, but I was also too late, which was good because otherwise I would have been outside and would have waited in the cold. And the weather is currently, yeah, it's been pretty good today, but I saw at the weather forecast that there is a chance that there will be rain. So that's why I got my umbrella with me, and I just hung it up on my belt to my jacket, so I don't have to carry it by hand the whole time and look like a grandma. I went to the Appy to Go and got this for a bit. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Oh, ships. That's a lot better. I got my drink and I'm so scared I will spill it. The person that made it was so kind, and he told me a little story about how he's shocked that in real chai tea you put black pepper. Now in front of the classroom. I'm now embarrassing myself. Look, wait. Look how I am walking. Because this backpack is so freaking heavy, and I didn't have any mobile data, so I couldn't text. But I couldn't text or call either. So I couldn't text my sister to ask her to get my medicine. So I'm doing it myself because tomorrow my school starts at 8:30, and I have to wake up at 10 to 6. So that's very early, and I can't get my medicine then. I have to take it in the morning. I mean, I have not in a while, but that's not really a problem. You know, exactly when I'm embarrassing myself like this, I see my sister's classmates. I'm already gonna tell her that I did this, just in case they're gonna say, oh yeah, I saw your sister. She had her backpack on backwards. Why only 2? I normally get 3. Yes. Okay. Waarom is mijn flits opeens aan? Anyways, soup. Chicken. And something. Fries.
모두 똑같다. 다들 자기 잘못이 아니라고 한다. 잘못을 했다고 인정하는 사람조차.
It's now. There's only 3 minutes left before 11 p.m. So I'm going to sleep. I finished the 4th episode of Loving Contract, and I'm gonna sleep right away. Oh my goodness. It is dark outside, and I didn't even leave at the time I wanted to leave. We're going to school now. Wait, where is my... There she is. The keys of my bike. Because today is not going to rain, so I can just go to the train station with my bike. The reason why I didn't go with my bike is because every time when it rains, it's better to walk with an umbrella than being on a bike, in my opinion. Oh my god, the street is so empty. Oh my god, the oliebollen crème is back. I cannot wait. Oh my god.